Tineco A11 Master has 120 AW effective suction power for max mode, 25 AW for normal mode, same as A10 that's suitable for daily cleaning tasks, and come with both hard floor and carpet motorized brushes. Yes, Tineco A11 perform well for sure. It can suck in all the stuff that you throw at, from the usual dust, long leaf, and even heavy mung beans. And just single trip will do. Having two brushes for different floor types is very useful. As usual, I'm using normal power mode for this test. Well, that's it for the quick test. Thanks for watching. Peace.